5 things to get you through lockdown. Lean into the things that make you feel happy. It could be as small as sitting out in the sunshine or patting your dog. Anything that makes you feel happy, collect moments of joy, because the more moments of joy we have, the more moments that we're blocking negativity coming into our lives. 2, focus on how you can help others, whether it be a phone call, a compliment, a random act of kindness. This is twofold because it makes us feel better by doing something nice, but it also helps the other person feel good too. So we're creating and spreading joy all around. 3, the change up. Do something new, create a new routine. This is going to help create new neural pathways in your mind, which invites more creativity in. 4, get your body moving. Find something that you like to do. It could be walking, it could be learning how to handstand, it could be lifting some weights, it could be going for a jog with your dog, whatever it might be. If you get your body moving, it helps with everything: circulation, your mood, metabolism, and your immunity. 5, fuel your body with all of the nutrients that it needs. Eat for nutrition. Give yourself all of the vitamins you can, all of the energy you can, and set your body up for the best case scenario for it to be able to fight off anything it needs to, have the energy to do so, and feel your absolute best. They're my 5 tips of getting through lockdown. What are yours? Share them below.